my cousin. Hi, I'm Nick. Can you see me in the picture?
Yes, I can.
I love painting. I want to be an artist.
2.
And who's this? The man on the motorbike.
Oh, that's Pat. Pat goes to work by motorbike.
By motorbike?
Yes, he likes motorbikes.
Me too.
3.
That's a great plane. Who is this boy with the plane?
That's my friend, Dan. Hi, I'm Dan.
Hello, Dan.
I like planes. I want to be a pilot.
Great.
4.
There's a woman here. She's in a car.
Yes, she's my mum. Her name's Jill. She's a cook.
A cook?
Yes, and she goes to work by car.
Cool.
5.
A girl is singing. What's her name?
Anne. She's in my class at school. Hello, I'm Anne. I want to be a pop star.
A pop star?
Yes. Singing is my favourite hobby.
6.
And who's this? She's wearing a brown jacket.
A brown jacket? Oh, that's Sue. She's a teacher.
Cool.
And she goes to work by underground.
By underground?
Yes.